I'm Eric Sprague, and you've got Lizard Man. I've spent about 700 hours getting my entire body tattooed, top to bottom, head to toe. I've also had Teflon implanted on my forehead to create horned ridges over my eyes, had my teeth filed down to points, and my tongue surgically bifurcated. To me, body modification is just a simple compound phrase. It's modifying the body. It's anytime you alter it, and we all do it. I decided to become Lizard Man because that's what suited me. So Lizard Man to me was embracing a lot of things that I liked aesthetically. I mean, I'm a big Godzilla fan, so I became sort of the cool movie monster that I wanted to see. I first got involved with Ripley's Believe It or Not through the TV show, and now they've actually done me the fantastic honor of immortalizing me as a statue, which will be installed at locations around the world. Whenever I'm with one standing next to it, like, I can't not put my arm around it and hang out with it. It was funny, all the photographers were like, hey, look over here, but I'm so fascinated, I'm just staring at it like everybody else. You know, everybody has bad days. Whether you're tattooed green or not, some days you just don't want to deal with people, you want to stay inside. And yeah, people stare at me, but I never get bothered by stares, because people only stare at things that are interesting. And if it does make me uncomfortable, me staring back at a person makes them far more uncomfortable than they can ever make me.